Hi everybody, this is Patti Kessler, vibrational healer, and a question came up about elixirs today. The question was, how do elixirs help you? What's it all about really? Well, it's all about energy, and everything is energy. People are energy, trees are energy, grass is energy, cameras are energy, everything is energy. And I bet you've had the experience where you've gone somewhere and you had this great uplifting feeling about being in this space or being around a person. And you've probably been in experiences as well where you have been in a place that gave you a real creepy feeling or a yucky feeling, and it felt heavy and you wanted to get out of there. Well, that's all about the energy. That's the vibration of the place where you are or the people you're around. And there are what we would say good vibrations and heavy vibrations. So the good vibrations are the places and the people and the things that uplift you. They make you feel light and free, and they're rejuvenating. They're great to be around because you feel more energy and happier and lighter. Heavier vibrations, places that drag your energy down, or people that just kind of drain you or feel kind of creepy, they have what we would call lower vibrations or heavier vibrations. So in your life, you want to seek out the life-enhancing vibes. You want to raise your vibration. And that's what I do as a vibrational healer. I help raise your vibration so that you will feel happier, healthier, more at peace with your life. And in the meantime, you know just by feeling how it feels to be around certain people or certain things, whether your vibration is getting higher or whether it's getting lower. So for instance, all things, because they're all energy, can raise or lower your vibration or be neutral for your vibration. So you want to seek out foods, for instance, that raise your vibration, that feel light, that give you energy and help you feel more free and rejuvenated. Same thing with the people you hang out with, the music you listen to, the types of TV programs or movies that you watch. They can either raise your vibration or lower your vibration. Places that feed your soul, like nature. That's why I chose to do this video out here in one of my favorite parks in the city, is because nature uplifts my vibration. It makes me feel so good to be around the trees or waterfalls or mountains, or one of my favorite places of all is the redwoods in California. Those all raise my vibration, and so I seek them out. And thoughts have an impact on your vibration too, so you want to seek out the thoughts. You want to pay attention to your thoughts and think the thoughts and choose the thoughts that are going to raise your vibration. So that's basically, in a nutshell, what happens with vibration and why I'm a vibrational healer, to help raise people's vibration. But that's also why I created the Liquid Light Elixirs. They also raise your vibration. And they do it in multiple ways. I'm just going to talk about a couple of those ways today. So elixirs, just like everything else, carry a vibration. Liquid light elixirs are made out of crystals. So they carry the vibrations, the healing frequencies, the healing vibrations of crystals. They also carry the healing vibrations of pure structured water and living light, along with other things. But more about that at a future video. So when you take an elixir and you spray it on your body or above your body, you are raising the vibration. You can also spray it in your home. You just spray it anywhere on your body or above your body or around the space in your home or your work. But I want you to tap into the way you feel after you spray the elixir on you. See if you can feel the vibration raise. See if you feel lighter. And notice how your thoughts and feelings and your level of health and vitality and how your life changes when you start using the elixirs. I want to tell you about just a couple of the elixirs that I have today. The first one is Cellular Rejuvenation. Now, each elixir is made with different crystals and has different healing properties in it. And one of the things that I do is I meditate with the elixir and with a crystal that was used to make it after I have made the elixir, so that I can find out what the name should be and how it is helping us. So this one is called Cellular Rejuvenation. And if you are recuperating from a long-standing illness, or you are feeling like you're just starting to come down with something, then Cellular Rejuvenation might be a good choice for you. It helps clear the energy around you. It helps you let go of thoughts and beliefs that are keeping you in a place of not feeling well, or feeling low, feeling down, feeling maybe unsupported, for instance. So it helps you bounce back quicker from an illness. It helps catch an illness before it gets settled into the body, because again, it's working with the energy field. Another one I want to show you is Trust in Yourself. This was made with the elixir, the crystal. Trust in Yourself was the name. The crystal was carnelian. And again, the name came to me in meditation after the elixir was made. Trust in yourself helps you get in touch with the deepest part of you that knows your truth, that knows what you can do, knows your power, knows your magnificence, and helps you remember that you can trust your abilities, your intuition, and your knowing. The last one I'm going to talk about today is called Harmonize Relationships. And your most important relationship is your relationship with yourself. And so that's where it's going to start. It's going to start with your relationship with yourself. How are you honoring yourself? How are you remembering your truth, your gifts, your talents? And if you're not, it's going to help bring the beliefs to the surface that are holding you back from knowing that, from realizing the gift that you are to the world. And then, of course, it helps with your human relationships, your relationships with your pets, with your family, with your loved ones, and with your coworkers and friends and community. The elixirs created with crystals, you just tap them to activate the vibration, and then you spray it on your body or above your body and let it sprinkle down through your aura, or you can spray it in your space. Thanks for joining me today. More on crystals and liquid light elixirs later. Bye.